Hello, everybody. Welcome to one of
I can't even scream.
they can't hear you if you don't get in here.
I can't even scream right now, guys.
Okay.
I'm too depressed.
Oh, fucking this game, man. It plays with your goddamn emotions.
It does.
We're having a good time though. We're finishing this goddamn game.
We're finishing today.
Are we?
Okay. Maybe.
I hope we do.
Well, I got like...
Are we picking the Madison Page? You fucking badass. Dude, I love this girl. I'm so glad I got the...
You want to marry her? You okay?
I don't want to marry her. I want to have a nice night with her. I'll bring champagne.
Yeah, and lots your touch, girl.
Maybe it'll get first.
God, she's so cool. God, I love her. Characters don't progress as much as I want to. What?
Origami killer's apartment.
No, dude, fuck girly
Must be
girls.
something that'll tell me
I
where
like
Sean
the
Mars
girls
is.
that can handle themselves. Alright, fucking, let's go. We're in Shelby's apartment. Why is everything shaking? Doesn't fucking help me. God, this sucks. This really sucks.
You could have gone off.
I know. There's a gun. Can I take that? I would like that. I would like that gun. Give me the fucking gun. Page. Massive Page. Inhaler. Let's take that. Why aren't we taking these things? I want the fucking whiskey. Oh, it was totally him. Dude, we know it was him. We just watched
Whiskey everywhere. We got it from his dad.
Whiskey if I take
uniform.
my man.
Always trust a cop.
Oh God.
That's why children went with him. He was
Oh
dressed
God,
as a
he
cop.
was dressed as a cop. It's fucking horrible. What? That's hollow. And that is definitely like a fucking hole. Oh wait. Behind the scenes action. When you get home, download Skulls of the Shogun. Because when I get, it's free with PlayStation Plus. I download it, but I can't use it because I lost my 2-day membership. But do you actually download all the free games?
No, it's good.
I download all of
I
them.
add to my library, but I don't download them all. So that way if I want to later on.
Enter password.
Shit, it needs a
But I have-
password.
Did you get Metal Gear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
John. Incorrect password.
Try.
Orchid. I'm doing Orchid. Hey, it's me. You don't get the fucking choice. Oh, fucking Max. It's the dog's name that he would name all
Got
of
it.
his
Max.
origami
The
dogs.
name John
You
gave to
weren't
his paper
watching,
dogs when he
but
was a child.
all the dogs he
What the hell
was
is
naming as a
that?
child.
An address.
Theodore
gotta be where
Roosevelt.
Sean
We got
Mars
it right.
is.
We got
Hurry.
it right. We got
There's
it
no
right. We
time
got
to
it right.
lose.
No, bro.
Alright, so
No time to lose. So what do? We keep looking around.
no time to lose. I'm very scared to leave now because this is like horror
We're
movie-esque.
gonna be there.
Are those orchids in the back?
This is where he cultivated the orchids that he left on the chest of his
cool.
victims.
Fucking knew it,
So
man.
you found my little secret.
Oh,
It's
gee.
over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
I might. I probably am
There's
the
one
one that
child
would
left.
understand.
There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
Me?
Yeah.
They're both me. How am I supposed to do this?
Get in there.
Oh God. Well, I mean, it can only lock from this side, so how could it lock from that side? Beat that shit down. Beat that shit down, Paige.
Smart. You don't have a lock on both sides. What if he gets locked in there?
Yeah, fucking don't. Yeah, let's break through the fucking wall. This is way too bare.
You know what I find funny?
What?
You bought this Turtle Beach.
I can use it for the PS4. Yeah. And I will use it sometimes.
No, you can't. You're connected.
You know. You connect it to the back of the PS4.
You have to connect your control. Your control.
We don't. I don't. You stupid motherfucker. Eric? That's smoke. Did he set the fucking... Is he setting the fucking house on fire? Working on it. Go. Shake that bitch! Paige, you're so cool. That's some fucking Paige, man. Dude, why do I need to... It's his bathroom. Oh, remember? Because we were trying to peep on that girl when she came over to take her shower. Yeah. Oh, that's fire. Prepare. Water. We need water. No, we need water. You won't catch on fire if you're on water.
Wet clothes will give me a better chance of surviving.
Told ya! I fucking know water safety, man. No, it's kind of the window. I can't really... That's pretty far. It's pretty far. 3 stories up? 3 stories up, there. To kill us. And why would he need to come back here if he's going to live with what's-her-faces? Ford, I went... Oh, Jesus. It's scary. Oh, I love that. I love how the...
Oh!
I'm trying, Eric! Oh, fuck, I'm on fire! Why am I on fire? How do I get out? Okay, dude, I'm gonna fucking... Her ass is too good. I can't. No, it didn't give me the option. Dude, this ass is worth saving. We're saving this ass. And she's a very nice lady. Oh. Ah, god damn it. Why did that...
It's way too high. I'll kill myself.
No, you won't. Don't worry about it, Paige. God. Jump or don't jump?
No.
Fuck it. Wait, can I go back? No, I really don't want to. Oh god, the controller shook! Am I dead? Oh my god, I'm dead! Eric, you fucking asshole! You killed me! Wake up, Paige! What?
Maybe. I might have just fucked you. It's me.
Who is this kid?
It's me, I did it.
No, you just killed my character.
I did it. My characters are all dead, I did it.
You're like, oh, yeah, you should jump.
You didn't have to with me.
God.
That was me, I would have jumped.
That ass!
In real life, I would have jumped.
God damn
You're not
that
dead.
ass.
You're not dead.
Did you see me? My clever dad. Aw, thank you.
In real life, I would have.
Friday, 7:22 p.m., 5.84 inches. Everybody's fucking dead. Oh, Sean, Ethan. He went to the right spot. You went to the right spot. Because he's here.
That kid myself.
Yes. Dude, I can't even play as Scott now because we know he's the bad guy. God, I'm out of the fucking playthrough.
Oh god.
You fucking asshole.
You're making fun of me for it.
Alright, go. Fucking just go. My one girl is now dead. I'll kill myself as I jump. Yeah, let's fucking jump anyway. Has to be available to the rain. It's a fucking grate over there. I can't answer you.
Sean! Sean! Can you hear me?
You know what?
Daddy's
This
here.
is the last episode.
I'm gonna get you out of there.
It's the last episode.
No!
Yeah.
No! No!
Do the maneuver. Shake the controller. Fuck it, we're not.
You're continuing.
No, this is the last episode,
No,
man. This is
fuck you.
it.
Get up your Oh, you mean I drank tequila?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're not. We're playing this the fuck through. Find a way to break molded. Pipe. Pipe of pipe. One of those. No? Let's get some shit. There! Top left! Top left! Top left! Ah! No, fucking right there! Thank you! Why did you dive after it? I'm right here. God. Fuck that shit. Nope, you son of a fuck. No shit. Oh, he's still alive. It's fine. Dude. Yeah, oh shit. Sorry, Sean. Get him out of there, man. Down. X. Tap that shit. Dude, his head was above the water. He's fine. No, wait, he's dead. And your character's gonna die too. Suck it.
My God, Sean, answer me.
Pump that. Aw, don't
have me,
that's
son,
fucking
please.
sad music. God,
Breathe.
They really do that shit?
Gotta breathe.
Oh, kiss him. Kiss him, Eric.
I died.
God, I really don't even
You know what?
want
Honestly, when he tried to save him, I wanted to die.
to. Really though?
Honestly,
Yeah, your wife hates you. Both of your sons are
you're
dead.
wanted.
Yeah,
So honestly,
you would be in prison for the rest of your life.
Don't leave me.
You think if I was here, I had medical training and I could have
Sean,
saved them? Massive.
don't leave me.
I fucking hate you. God, that's such an unsatisfying ending.
Why would you jump then if you didn't want to?
Because I'm like, oh, maybe it'll give me an option to back out. Oh, great, I'm dead.
Why would you try to do it if you thought you could do it?
Because I'm like, oh, I would like to see if she said something else. Like, maybe you should, maybe I shouldn't
You know,
do
that's not my
this.
problem, that's your problem.
God. And now you're dead, your son's dead.
Yeah.
Oh, he's alive.
Hallelujah! Yes!
I like how color, like, completely came back to his face.
Sean.
He
Oh,
has very red eyes, though. I
oh,
guess he hasn't slept with anything.
I thought you were gone.
He doesn't.
Dad, I knew you'd come and
Oh.
save me.
God.
I need to go to. I know I came to save you, but first I.
Yeah, I was totally coming to save you. Now, what's the Wi-Fi
Sean.
password?
Listen, you are the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. I want you to know that whatever happens, I love you more than anything in the world.
Ah!
And I did. I took the poison an hour ago, and I'm not dead.
Like, do like a.
I'm not dead! Dad.
I didn't want to kill him because. What was it? God didn't want him to die. He just wanted to save you and actually save you.
My
Do we ever
father
took-
didn't lift one finger to save his son.
Who are you?
Scott Shelby.
Oh, you don't know me, Ethan.
Your son is lying on the ground.
Oh, but we've met before.
Have we? Oh no! Oh God.
I have been looking for a long, long time, Ethan.
Oh God.
Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could not do. Sacrifice himself to save his son. Oh, I searched. Oh, I searched. But they all failed. And then I remembered you.
All those murders?
Oh, you
Just to
chose
find a father
on that
capable of
you kill
saving his
my
son?
Just to find a father? Have you any
This guy's a
idea
little
how it
mentally
feels to
wild.
know you've been a worthless nothing in your father's eyes? Believe
Yes, I do. Thank you.
me, I've suffered just as much as my victim.
Thanks, bro.
Not quite. I don't think they're
You're mad.
You're
You're
your
completely
victims are
fucking
dead.
mad!
Go ahead, you can kill me now.
Do it.
It doesn't
No,
matter.
don't kill my last character. Oh God!
You've accomplished what
quite.
I
It's in my
wanted to
hands
see.
now.
Do it. Or I
Right.
don't fucking care. Just kill him.
I don't want to.
Just fucking kill him. You killed my character. You killed both of my characters! God damn it!
You told me to kill him. I didn't want to kill him.
I actually never had that option. So.
You told me when you
No, I never had the option to shoot him or not. Maybe it's because Madison was always there. No, I always saved my son, but I never had the option to kill Shelby.
Alright, let's go. Let's
Yeah,
go.
fuck it.
Throw them back in the
Come on, kid. It would be funny if... Dad, what the fuck's wrong with your hand? Oh, son, I did it for you. I don't... You should. You killed all of my characters. The only person that survived was Ethan Mars. God, this is like irks me. I wanted to have a good ending.
I didn't want to kill you. You told me to kill him.
Could we have killed everybody, do you think? Because one guy had to kill everybody else. He had to kill everybody else. Look at his Madison.
Dad, don't leave me.
I gotta push open the door if we're gonna get out of here.
I never want you to leave me alone again, Dad.
Dude, get the fuck
I
up.
promise, I never will, Sean.
Get the fuck up and walk, kid.
I promise.
Dad, don't leave me. Stop fucking dragging your boots, bro. Shoot that shit. Cops. Cops. And they think you're the murderer. Everybody died. Are they gonna kill you? Yeah, no shit. We saw them. That's a sniper. And that's a helicopter.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
And that's the guy that hates you. Your partner is dead because of it.
Open fire!
Everybody died!
Except for his son.
Everybody fucking died!
Dad!
Those guys are dicks. You're killing them? It's not even the origami killer.
Everybody's dead! Oh my god! What the fuck happened? Oh god!
Dad,
Oh.
wake up. Don't leave me alone. Please, Dad, wake up.
God, you can cry, man. I'm gonna cry too. This has never happened. I've never gotten that ending. Everybody survived in my playthrough. God damn it. What the fuck? Give me the controller. God, this has been an extra long episode of sadness. Saved the kid. Thank you. Thanks for that. Fucking PSN achievements. Heavy Rain Hero. There's general relief this morning when the police are alive.
More than 4 days after his disappearance, Mars was found wandering in the Old Docks neighborhood, exhausted and disoriented. It is believed that he managed to escape from the origami killer who had
What?
kidnapped him. The
No,
investigation is
you
currently on
fucker,
hold
shut up,
while child care
Ethan!
Specialists wait to interview the boy in hopes that he can provide some new information
Oh my
on the
God.
origami killer. Police are still at a loss as to the identity of the so-called
Oh God, because
origami
nobody
killer,
survived to
who
tell
currently
them
remains at large. In
who
a
the
related
origami
tragedy,
killer
It
was.
was learned that the investigation has cost the life of Madison Page, a young reporter covering the origami killer story. We're just getting word that the investigation into the origami killer has had a tragic outcome. Ethan Mars, father of the kidnapped boy and suspected of being the origami killer, has been killed in a police operation. Circumstances surrounding this tragedy have not yet been made public, but it is understood that Captain Leighton Perry and Lieutenant Carter Blake have both been suspended, pending a full police investigation.
Good.
Oh. Oh God. It's heavy rain.
Shut up.
His mom.
Come on, Sean. We've got to
Look
go
at
now.
morbid fucking clothes. God, mom. It's a very nice grave compared to everybody else.
Pathetic name there is. Thomas.
That's like if you're going to pick up a hooker, that's the name. I'm alive! I'm alive! Am I alive? Oh, I'm not alive.
Journalist
God damn it.
Madison Page was laid to rest in Charity Cross Cemetery today. Her heroic death while investigating the disappearance of Sean Mars has made a lasting impression on the whole
God damn
country.
it.
Colleagues from the press are united in paying tribute to this courageous journalist who
Shut up! I want to
life
listen to
in the
this.
search
This
for
is
truth.
me.
I'm Brittany Sanders for ICN.
Story.
Okay, Brittany.
It's a wrap.
Great. Let's get out of here.
What a
This hungry
bitch!
That's made me hungry.
I fucking hate you. Fucking hate all of you.
I'm so confused. How long has this episode been?
Who the fuck cares, man?
He's
This
being
is
buried
like-
in 2 days in some godforsaken hole in the back end of Beyond near Washington. I have to attend as a matter of protocol.
I'll pass. Jane and I didn't see eye to eye on much.
No problem.
Asshole.
I understand.
Hey, sir, I still have his glasses. What should I do with them?
Well, you won't be needing them again.
What a dick.
Do whatever you want with them.
What even the classes that long?
It's just pending whether we want or not. This is a sign of fucking respect. You don't take a man's personal fucking belongings. Asshole.
But they did shoot Ethan.
I hope he freaks out and like jumps off the fucking cliff.
I hate that movie.
God, you were his partner.
Yeah, we know what. Fuck him. He killed Ethan Mars. Ethan Mars was innocent.
God, this fucking game. This fucking game. Oh God, look at it! Look at, look at, look at!
Don't say that it's there.
Jaden fucking Clark.
Agent in there. Thank God.
Madison Page and Ethan are so close. Oh, it's her! The girlfriend of Scott.
You killed my son, Scott.
Oh. How does she know?
Were you thinking about that when you held me in your arms?
Look, wait.
How does she know? We burned all the
I
evidence.
don't know why you did all this.
No, nobody told him.
Nothing can justify it anyway. I feel nothing but contempt for you.
You're gonna piss some shit on this.
Nothing but contempt.
Fuck him. What is contempt? Contempt!
A criminal like that doesn't learn to die, and that is
2011. 4 games yet? 4 years? Probably.
that's what I fucking hate about.
Yeah.
I want to
The
see
worst
them again.
people.
I'm a father too.
All the things you were supposed to do, I guess. Anyway, I forgot we were even recording this shit. And
I still want to cry.
we'll cry after this. We'll cry in each other's arms. I'll hold you.
I don't want to mini heart attack.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say the goodbyes now.
It was a good end.
God, it was horrible! Everybody died!
It was a good end, like a good game.
Oh, it was a good...
ending.
Oh yeah, it was a great game, dude. We got new
The ending was
games.
a great game.
And now we're gonna... Oh god, why did they do that one of all things? The pliers shit. We did the axe. That's awesome. This is where you died. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is where I almost got raped. I do not blame that guy. He jizzed himself. Ooh, that's cool. Jaden fucking Clark. What should we name this episode? All happy sunshines and rainbows? I think that's what we're gonna name it. Sunshine and rainbows. At least there's no boobs. Burbs.
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
What? That was Gordy Kramer's dad. The one that Scott was pretending to think it was the murderer. Yeah. Yeah.
What's the point if you knew the whole time?
I don't know, fucking kill him. At least we killed him too. I feel bad that I killed somebody as the murderer. God, that fucking... The funny part is, every time I've played this game, I've never had that outcome. I must be because you suck so bad at it. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Okay, don't look at me like that. Anyway, thank you all for hopefully enjoying this thrill, this amazing game, which I'm now going to put into a playlist for all of you guys.
Finally, how tiny. Like 5 episodes later.
Yeah, I'm going to do everything in a playlist at once. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We enjoyed it. Yeah, God, the fucking end. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in next, where we play Beyond Two Souls or The Wolf Among Us. The Wolf Among Us it is. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.